Hello class. I'd like to show how to create a bar chart and pie charts using Excel on this problem. My problem is about oil spills. Data from the International Tanker Owners Pollution Federation give the cause of spillage for 460 oil tanker accidents, resulting in spills of more than 700 tons of oil. If I add my count, auto sum, you will see I have 460 oil tanker accidents. Here, column B provides the count frequency for each category of the variable cause, which is the qualitative variable or categorical variable. Counts are useful, but sometimes we want to know the fraction or proportion of the data in each category. So we divide the counts by the total number of cases. So, and I'm going to call that column relative frequency. So I'm going to take each count and divide by the total. Because I'm dividing each count by the total to find the relative frequency per cause, per category, I'm going to freeze the B11 cell, the total cell, by hitting function F4 or only F4. That will put the dollar signs before and after the letter B. And then I would like to round to digits, hit enter. And when I see that dark plus sign, I'm going to double click. It will do the work for me. Now I'm going to find the sum. It should be 100%. So that means my calculations are correct so far. All right. This is my frequency table, and now I included relative frequency into my frequency table. All right, now I'm going to highlight and I'm going to insert column, the first one, and accidents. And if I right click on the bar, add data labels, I'll be able to see the count. Bar chart displays the distribution of a categorical variable showing the count on the y-axis, and the bar charts should have small spaces in between the bars, indicating that these are freestanding bars that could be rearranged into any order. Now, bar charts and pie charts helps you think clearly about patterns and relationship hidden in the data table. Shows the important features of the data, tells others about the data. Now I would like to create a relative frequency um, bar chart. I'm going to copy and paste as a picture, and I'm going to work on this one. Now, if you right click and select data and edit and highlight column C and hit OK and hit OK, I'll be able to see the relative frequency bar chart. And my y-axis represents the relative frequencies. Now I'm going to copy and paste as a picture. Now, yeah, I would like to see actually in the descending or ascending order to be able to write a brief report quicker. So I'm going to sort and filter from largest to smallest, expand the selection, and I'm going to delete the 0. Oops, sorry. I'm going to delete these zeros here. All right, now I can see in the descending order which category is the most frequent one. All right, now I'm gonna put these graphs together and try to answer question A. It seems to me that groundings accounts for 160 spills, which is 35% of the total spills, is the most frequent cause of oil spillage for 460 spills. A substantial number of spills, 132, were caused by collision, which is 29% of 460 oil tanker accidents. Less prevalent causes of oil spillage will be hull failures, loading, fire explosions, and so forth. To answer B, is pie chart an appropriate display? Pie chart shows the whole group of cases as a circle. Now, if I highlight, I'm going to delete. All right, and I'm going to take these down. I'm going to highlight and insert pie, and I'm going to right click, add data labels, and I'm going to right click, format data labels as a percentage rather than value, close. Now, to answer question B, is pie chart an appropriate display for these data? Why or why not? Let's see, if being able to differentiate between close counts is required, use the bar chart. Since each spill has one cause, the pie chart is also acceptable as a display, but it is difficult to tell whether, for example, there's a greater percentage of spills caused by fire explosions or hull fire. If you want to showcase the causes of oil spills as a fraction of all 460 spills, use the pie chart. So for this problem, both are okay. I'm gonna display it here. Hope this video helps for you to be able to draw pie and bar charts using Excel. I'll see you next video. Thank you.